Today, we're getting an exclusive early look at the all-new Helios Grand Hotel, the in-park hotel for Universal Epic Universe. We've been invited out by Universal to show you the best of what this hotel has to offer, including its luxurious pool, rooftop bar, incredible rooms, and so much more. Our weekend-long Epic Universe coverage starts right now. Alright guys, we are all checked in and ready to go. Before we do any of this, I just want to give a big thank you to all of you guys for watching these videos and supporting my channel over the last, 7 or 8 years. I would not be in this position right now without your incredible support, without all of you guys watching, for all of your likes, comments, and subscriptions, everything that you've done to interact with the channel. You guys are the reason why I am here today covering this once-in-a-lifetime event. So from the bottom of my heart, I just want to say thank you so much for everything. Alright, it's time to board the bus to head on over to the Helios Grand. We've made it. Helios Grand. Check this out, guys. Look at it. The Helios Grand. I can't believe this is actually happening. We're here. Oh, look at Frankenstein's Manor. You can see all the electricity in there. Oh my gosh, guys. Check this out. We're here at the Helios Grand Hotel. Epic Universe is so close. It's so close. We can see through it. Oh my god. 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 All right, guys, we have made it to the Helios Grand Hotel, the in-park hotel for Epic Universe. I am so excited to head on inside and check it out. All right, it is time to head on in to the Helios Grand. And oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Okay, first things first though, we gotta head on over here. We gotta head to the window. I can't believe it, guys. The park is right here. We can look out inside Epic Universe. I can't believe it. Just off the lobby, we have a little lounge area over here. This is really nice with a great floor-to-ceiling window view of the park. I can't believe the park is right here. It's so close yet so far away. And you can see a bunch of team members inside as well. Team member previews are still going on. There are guests inside the park. It is nuts. I cannot believe that tomorrow we're getting our chance to go inside. Oh my gosh. And then all the way down at the far end, you can see the Kronos Tower. Incredible. So let's give you guys a little bit of perspective over here in the lobby. As soon as you walk in, you have the view of Epic Universe right there. It is absolutely insane. Over here on the left, we have Flora Taverna. This is one of the restaurants here at the Helios Grand Hotel. And then on the right over here, we have the Aurora Market. This is going to be one of your quick service options as far as like grab and go things for your stay here at the Helios Grand.
This hotel is our 11th hotel. It will give us 11,000 rooms in this hotel portfolio here in Orlando, and it has been an incredible journey. Together with our Universal partners, we have created these incredible, immersive hotel experiences. And this hotel takes immersion to a whole new level. It's the place where you can come and you can actually stay just steps away from the theme park. You can have breakfast in our Flora Taverna restaurant on the terrace, walk across the lobby, through the dedicated entrance, and be in Celestial Park in minutes.
All right, so we have broken up into smaller groups and we're getting ready to do a tour of the hotel. So you guys are about to get a lot more information on what this hotel has to offer. Looks like this tour is starting off in the pool area. We are entering the Lotus Lagoon. Check out all the cabanas over here. These things are nice. Here's an example, cabana number 5. We have big table over here, loungers, we have storage space, a TV, ceiling fan. Those are gonna be very important in the summer months. So we've kind of been just let loose to explore the pool area on our own. We heard that there are over 400 lounge chairs over here. And if I'm recalling correctly, I think, how many cabanas do we have? I think I see 10 cabanas. I think there's more, maybe? No, I think there's only 10 cabanas. Not bad. Which, by the way, Code and I, we already have our reservations booked for opening weekend here at the Helios Grand Hotel. So you guys are going to be seeing a lot more content from this hotel once it officially opens. I don't know if we're going to try and splurge on a cabana with a couple of other friends who we know are going to be staying here as well. Haven't decided that yet, but this is just really nice. And there's umbrellas galore. I love the umbrellas, especially in the summertime. Those umbrellas are going to be very, very important. And here we are, guys. Check out the pool. This thing is huge. It's a nice long pool. You can see it leads up to the hotel over here. There's some steps over here. There's a ladder right there. I think there's zero entry on the other side as well. And then we have a bar across the way where you can get all of your alcoholic beverages or other drinks that you might want while you're out here lounging out. And then of course, even if you're here with your little ones, they do have games for you to play. You can see they have some Jenga over here and some cornhole, among a bunch of other things I'm sure they'll have once the hotel officially opens. But oh my gosh, I just can't believe how luxurious this is. And then take a look at that. You are literally right next to the park. You can see the entrance to Dark Universe right there. Check out that portal. Holy cow. I don't think I caught that on video, guys, but I just heard a werewolf from Dark Universe. Again, it's literally right here. We're right next to the park. And hearing that werewolf for the first time, it just made everything so real. You can see we have a spa over here with, of course, an accessibility chair. You love to see it. And then we have Lotus Lagoon. This is the bar that I pointed out earlier. And I do think that you can get some small snacks over here as well. We're about to head back into the hotel right now, and I can just imagine myself sitting out here at night at sunset with the hotel right here and Darkmoor right there. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Let's head back inside. So check out the elevator bank over here at Helios Grand. They have a projection wall, and it'll actually simulate the time of day, and it'll be real time. That's awesome. All right, we have made it to the 10th floor, and we're about to get our first look at Bar Helios. All right, I heard this reveal is insane. This is the main dome. Oh my God. What the heck is this? Oh my God. This is the best possible thing they could have done with that giant dome on the top of this hotel. So something I was just told is that all of these like Greek names that you see all along over here and up above, these are the names of people who actually helped construct the hotel. So all of these names are people of importance, and they're just all throughout over here and then all up above over here, just different people's names. That is cool. And check this out, guys. This is the best view of the park we've had ever. Like, what in the world? Look at this. Look at how many people are inside the park. That is nuts. But we can see Stardust Racers over here. We can see Dragon Racers Rally, just Isle of Berk over there in general. You can kind of get a glimpse over here of Super Nintendo World. Oh my gosh. And then, of course, we have the Kronos Tower across the way.
That one? That's the star. Looks like it might be a little higher. That right there is
So just off the bar over here, we have a really cool, like, wing over here. I don't want to say angel wing, but like an eagle wing maybe. This is going to be a very popular photo op. I can see a lot of people coming over here for a photo with this. And then of course you don't just have the view of Epic Universe on one side, but on the opposite side you have a fantastic view of the Orlando Eye down there and the iFly complex. And then further on down that way, I know it's a little difficult to see, you can get a shot of Universal Studios proper. All right, now we have an opportunity to check out one of the rooms here at the Helios Grand. This is going to be one of your theme park view rooms. We're checking out room 538. Let's go ahead and check it out, guys. All right, let's head on in. As soon as we walk in, we have a full-length mirror over here so you can check yourself out. Moving on down, it looks like we have a closet space. We have some extra linens, an ironing board, some hangers, a safe. We also have a luggage rack over here and space for you to put your luggages. We'll come around over here and check out the bathroom area. Really nice big mirror over here. I like the little lights over here, little accent lights. We have a nice plush rug over here for you guys to use. We also have a mirror. This is really cool. Then you can flip this over and get an even closer look. Oh my Jesus. The tissue paper is stamped with the Helios Grand logo. That's really cool. What's this? The room comes with amenities. It's got some cotton swabs, some Q-tips. That's really cool. Wasn't expecting that. We, of course, have a nice sink over here with gold plating. I doubt it's real gold, but it still looks really nice. We have Julian Farrell facial soap. We have a shower cap over here as well. And we have some body lotion. That's nice. Something I forgot to mention is we have some storage space over here with some additional towels. That's really nice. See what's here on the opposite side? Nothing. Down here, nothing. Hair dryer. Hair dryer. There we go. Here's a look at the bathroom. We have a nice standing shower. You can see there's a little place to sit or to put up your leg. That's really nice. And I love the addition that they have the faucet right here. Not really the faucet, but the handle to turn on the water. And the shower head's on the opposite side. So that's really nice. And then, of course, we have a toilet. And then, guys, the pièce de résistance. The actual room itself. Check this out. Wow. This is really nice. Holy moly. This feels incredible. And take a look at the artwork back here. My goodness, this is insane. Really nice artwork, and I'm sure it's like padded. It looks like it's padded. Yeah, oh my gosh, it's like a felt material almost. Definitely not the material I was expecting. This is nice. You can see we have a tablet over here. I assume, wow. I assume this controls all your room functions. You can see we have outlets, USB-A's, USB-C on both sides of the bed. So no matter where you're sleeping, you're gonna have access to ports. You can open this up over here. You have the Bible down there, some additional storage space, and it looks like we also have some reading lights over here. That's awesome. We have a nice big TV over here. We have plenty of space for you to put whatever items you might need. We also have a coffee machine. We have an ice bucket with glasses over here. And then down here we have our drawer space. All these are drawers. And then I assume this is a mini fridge. Yep, we have a mini fridge over here. Is there anything in here? Nope, not stocked or anything. Wouldn't expect it to. The hotel doesn't open for another month. We have a nice workbench over here for you guys to use in case you need to get some work done while you're on your vacation. And then, guys, we have the greatest view of all. Check this out. Oh my God, I am about to cry. I cannot believe this is happening. Epic Universe is here. It is right here. It's right here. And we get to explore all of this tomorrow. I am blown away. And this is what you get with a theme park view. This is, you could not ask for a better view for a theme park view. This is nuts. I can only imagine how incredible this looks at night. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And what's crazy is that this is the exact room type that we purchased for opening weekend of Epic Universe. So May 22nd, we check in here at the Helios Grand Hotel, and this is going to be our view. I can't believe that this park is here. We have watched this thing grow from afar for so many years, and the fact that it's here, there's guests inside. There are people actively enjoying the park right now. It just blows my mind. And the fountains are going. This is just the most incredible thing. And I am just so blown away that we have this opportunity to not only check out this hotel early, but to be able to be one of the first people to have this particular view of Epic Universe. It's mind-blowing. It is insane. And then, of course, one of the biggest perks with this hotel is our dedicated park entrance. We have the security area over here, but we're not exploring that right now. We're going this way. And it looks like our time here at the Helios Grand Hotel is done. This, of course, isn't a full in-depth tour of the hotel, but I thank you so much. We will be back here on opening day to check it out in its entirety and give you guys our full thoughts and review. But initial first impression, this hotel is nice. It screams luxury. You can tell they really put a lot of thought and effort into this hotel, and not just the little details, but the theming as well. This hotel is going to be a slam dunk. And then as we make our way out, we have the shuttle loop over here. This is where you're going to catch all of your buses to the different Universal Studios parks and City Walk. You see nice shaded structures over here. We have a couple of bus depots. We have 1 and 2 right here. And then when you park, there's also a parking garage connected to the hotel. Back onto the bus we go. Looks like they have little goodie bags for us. Hello.
Enjoy your tour.
Loved it. Thank
Amazing.
you.
Of course, enjoy.
Appreciate it. Got little goodie bags. I'm gonna go through the rotating thing. Woohoo. Back to good old Stella Nova. Okay, made it back to the room. Let's see what we got in our little goodie bag. I think there's only a couple of items in here. Let's see. Oh, it looks like we have a wand and a power-up band. What in the world? It looks like this is a wand case from like the Fantastic Beasts movies. I think this is one of the new 2.0 wands as well. What is that? What does that say? Cosme Acajor? I don't know. My French isn't that good. Let's see what we got. We'll read that later. I just want to see the wand. What? Oh my gosh. Look at this. The box doesn't want to cooperate. Oh my god. What in the world? This is insane. I've been meaning to buy one of these, but I just haven't had the opportunity. This is so cool. This is really nice. And of course, they also gave us a power-up band. It's Diddy Kong! Yay! One of my favorite characters. When I was growing up, one of my favorite video games to play was Diddy Kong Racing. So yeah, Diddy Kong has a special place in my heart. I'm so happy. And with that, guys, today's video has come to an end. We are back in the hotel room. I'm gonna decompress and I am gonna sit down and start editing this video so that way you guys can watch. Tomorrow we get to set foot inside Epic Universe for the first time ever, where we are gonna be on a VIP tour, getting taken to every single ride and every single show, I think, in the entire park. Tomorrow's video is gonna be jam-packed full of information and just Epic Universe awesomeness. I hope you guys are ready for that. If you are, then please make sure you are subscribed to the channel so that way you don't miss out on that video when I upload it. And again, I just want to say thank you all so much for everything that you guys have done for me, for getting me to this position, for helping me be able to go to events like this. You guys have no idea how much this means to me. And it is an absolute dream come true to be able to cover a brand spanking new theme park we saw built from the ground up. It means the absolute world to me. So from the bottom of my heart, guys, thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you are all having a wonderful day, morning, afternoon, evening, and I'll see you guys in the next video.